Welcome back, viewers. Today we are going to take a look at one of the recent errors that creeping up in Ubuntu based Linux distribution. So what happens is when you do your system update, and system update triggers the regeneration of init ramfs, or you try to install some kernel, then this error comes up. So during the generation of the init image, you will get this error. So resume target crypt shift uses a key file. So the resume target is Cryptswap. So Cryptoswap or cryptographic swap uses a key file. So this prevents the generation of the new init image, and what happens is your kernel will not be working after the reboot because of this system, or you won't be able to use the new kernel installed, and some of the updates won't get installed because the init ramfs has not updated. So how to resolve this? Now I think few months back the issue has been locked, so the ticket is there. Maybe it has been resolved by now, but it was there. I think this issue is creeping up since last 2 years. I am saying it. So the issue is there in the GitHub of Ubuntu and some other Ubuntu-based Linux distributions. So how to resolve this issue? You can do it on your system. So first, what you have to do is uh, before you update the init ramfs, you have to use this command sudo swap of a. So it will switch off the swap, and then you have to issue this command sudo update init ramfs -c -k all. So this will update all the init file images for all the kernels. So on my system, when I did this, was 6.8 kernel, low latency kernel, and the generic kernel. So for both of these two kernels, the init ramfs was regenerated, and after regenerating the new init ramfs, you have to again start the swap. So you have to enable the swap using sudo swap on -a. So this will be very much helpful whenever you have got any issues for the Cryptswap on your system. So all the Ubuntu based Linux distributions will sometimes have this error, and you can resolve the error by the method I have shown you. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.